Chicago is home to over 44,840 licensed businesses. And for leaders managing 10 to 150 employees, keeping up with technology can feel overwhelming, says Matt Elias, COO of Outsourced Solutions Group. The city's tech scene moves fast, and it's easy to get lost in the noise of innovation. This year, several conferences in Chicago stand out for delivering practical value. FutureCon on January 29 focuses on defensive cybersecurity, providing technical teams with training and demos to build security into software and networks from the start. Oracle AI World Tour on April 7 shows how AI moves from theory to everyday business operations, helping operational leads and business owners automate tasks and make smarter, data-driven decisions. Secure World on May 20 brings C-level executives together to discuss risk management and governance, making it essential for leaders overseeing sensitive data. Later in the year, Automate 2026 and IMTS 2026 focus on robotics, logistics, and industrial manufacturing, offering insights for warehouse managers and large-scale production strategists. Choosing the right sessions, verifying the talent behind the speakers, and reviewing new strategies against your business roadmap ensures you get the most from these events. You can read the full article on our website to see detailed dates, locations, and conference highlights. Add this episode to your playlist to stay ahead of Chicago's 2026 tech scene.